Well, as you all know, we did hit a few rocks, but thankfully they were down close to the bottom, so we only had to chip away the top a little bit. So that's what we're looking at today, is getting those footings poured. So, you'd like to see how that happens? How we did it? Please, stay tuned. Well, here we are at the end of the first day. As you can see, we have a couple of large boulders right in our way. There's one right there too that's sticking up. One right there. That one's a monster. It's right in the way. There's a big one sticking out from underneath the house. This is our gray water line here. You can see we got a few big ones up out of the ground. There's one over here. There's one over here. A really big one over there. Another one over there. And I was very surprised at how much dirt we ended up with. Got a big pile of dirt there. Big pile of dirt here. And another big pile of dirt over there. And another big rock. But the thing is, it just doesn't look like that big of a hole. But apparently it is. And he's got to be able to pour footings around the edge. We got those big rocks. Of course, we'd have to hit rocks. I was hoping we wouldn't hit anything so big we couldn't get around them. But we did. Well, that's going to cost us. Hopefully not too much. But it's going to cost us. So this is the end of day one. This is where we're at. You can see he covered over the drain lines at least part of the way so we can drive through this side of the yard. Clearly, the gray water line is working. I think my wife's doing laundry. I'll need to get out here and finish the end of this when we're done. Got a few rocks out of the hole. Just can't believe he got that rock out of the hole. That is a big rock. Thought about just taking a picture, but there's nothing for scale. While I'm walking along here, there. Now you can see just how big of a boulder that is. I don't know how he got it out of the hole with that little bitty rig right there, but he did. Not sure why he brought it out here to set it down neither, but there it is. And now the forms are built. Putting a little bit of dirt up around them, getting ready to pour. Won't be long, cement truck will be here. And here he is. Now we're ready to pour. There's always that one little pebble that comes down at the beginning. Here we go, starting on the pouring. A lot more to come. This is the footing. We have the retaining wall up against the house. Then we have the basement walls. Then we have the floor. And then we have the patio outside. A lot of concrete. Yeah, we're just finishing up now. We got this end all poured, leveled. Still needs to be worked with a little bit. Pouring down on the other end.
trying to get some of it.
A little bit thick. Doesn't want to slide. That happens sometimes. When you're pouring footings, you don't want to have runny slop. They did a really good job. Don't you think? Now we're just finishing up, putting up against the house. The next video you'll get to see the retaining wall that they put on top of this side. That is something to behold. Not the easiest thing to do, concrete construction. Stay tuned for that. And here it is when they got it all done. Here we are at the end of day 3. Day 1 was digging, day 2 was busting up rocks, day 3 is pouring. Well, they built the forms too. But it's ready to go. They're going to come back Monday, pull these forms, pour the wall up here by the house. Then, I don't know, Tuesday or some day after that, then they're going to come back and pour the rest of the walls, and then we'll be done. Then it's my turn to work. I got to build the wooden part.